Guys, a high torque impact wrench kit is able to hack. It's hackable. Now with this Black Friday 2022 and holiday deals that are coming up, it is hackable as of now. This is the high torque impact wrench with the 4 amp hour starter kit with the battery in the bag. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Make sure you guys jump on it ASAP. You got the 18 volt brushless 4 mode half an inch torque impact wrench kit with 4 amp hour in charger. Yes, guys, this is the one that has Milwaukee DNA. So this one's just about as powerful as the Milwaukee. So it's $269. Yes, $269. But if you guys select the free gift with purchase, you are able to choose any of these tools, which the 179 seems to be the higher one. So you guys could choose from the jigsaw, the router, the light, the grease gun, the reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, multi-tool, a 7 1/4 circular saw, the paddle switch angle grinder, the half an inch hammer drill, and a battery. Obviously, we're gonna select the circular saw. It's one of the most expensive ones. Airport to cart. Let's look at the price. All right, for the 7 1/4 circular saw, it's 107, guys. 107.48. That's a killer deal on that one. But this is what we came for, guys. $161. This is an all-time low killer deal on this high torque impact wrench. Go get them, guys. Right now is the glitches, price glitches all over the place because they're transitioning to the newer deals. So guys, go get them before they fix this. Or I don't know if they're gonna fix this or not, but it's $161 for the kit, the high torque impact wrench kit. Run.